Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect prop firm to cTrader in 2026. So in order to do it, what you need to do first is to simply come here on cTrader.com. When you are here, you just have to first of all log in into your cTrader account if you haven't already. Now over here, click on the brokers tab here on the top. Then you will see the prop challenges tab on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, when you click on this particular option, you will be landed here on this particular page where it is going to ask you to find and join the top prop firms. So over here, these are the 40 prop firms that supports cTraders. So you just have to scroll down a bit and select any of these plans that are available over here. If you already have a plan, you just have to first of all log in into your account, and when you log in into your account, you will be shown your credentials, which you can then basically use in order to log in into your cTrader account. If you select the option of directly going on this particular page, you just have to first of all get the offer or create an account here, and then you just have to purchase your prop firm challenge. After purchasing the challenge, you will be asked to redirect into your cTrader account, and when you select that option, you will be shown this type of page in front of you. So that's how you can basically connect it. Thank you.